salt sample letters with you, along with a few useful expressions at English for All Reasons Good, based on the CBSE guidelines and syllabus. Now let's get started. Now, here are tips for writing a complaint letter. Now, before I move on, I had two requests from my students here. So they actually wanted me to explain a few things in Hindi too. So why not? So I will be using both the languages in between so that it is clear to everyone. So now the tips for writing a complaint letter. So let me have the pointer first. Yes, now the first thing is use formal, firm but polite language. Now, of course, you are writing a complaint, but your complaint it should be polite but firm too. So complaint लिखते समय what is required is polite and firm language. Right to the point means बहुत ज़्यादा इधर उधर की बातें नहीं करनी है. We are just to write what is the complaint, what has happened, and all the things that are related to your product or your defect. So जो complaint है उसी के आसपास बात होगी. We are not to beat about the bush. So the purpose of the letter it should be loud and clear right in the beginning. जैसे ही लेटर शुरू करेंगे हमारा जो पर्पस है वो फर्स्ट लाइन में ही क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. सो दिस इज नॉट अ इनफॉर्मल लेटर जहां हम एक दूसरे का हाल चाल पूछेंगे. सो राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग in the first line your purpose should be clear. So format should be correct. So this is for all letters. In every letter, हर letter में whether it is letter to the editor, whether it is letter for placing an order, your format it should be correct. So ये code जो है you follow this code SDRSSC. So ये code मैंने हर letter में दिया है. So by now you will be aware of this code. Then हर एक मेन पॉइंट को अंडरलाइन करना है. सो यूज योर पेंसिल टू अंडरलाइन द पॉइंट्स नीटली. सो डू इट इन द एंड व्हेन यू आर रिवाइजिंग. सो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम. Now, wherever necessary, give reference to bill, warranty card, etc. Now, अगर तो कंप्लेंट लेटर किसी प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड है, किसी ऑर्डर से रिलेटेड है, तो उसका बिल होना चाहिए और उसका वारंटी कार्ड होना चाहिए. सो ऐसे केस में गिव रेफरेंस टू दीज थिंग्स इन योर लेटर. So now we move on to the first example. So I'm reading the question. You are Sanjeev Gupta, living at 55 AK Road, Bengaluru. Recently, you bought a food processor of the brand Purple Panther. The food processor developed a problem within a month of use. Write a letter to the dealer, the kitchen joint, Prime Street, Bengaluru, giving details of the nature of the problem and asking to rectify the defect or replace the product. So, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को समझ लेते हैं. So you are Sanjeev Gupta living at this. So this is sender's address. तो ये हमें sender's address दिया हुआ है. Now then what they say is कि आपने एक food processor खरीदा जिसका brand दिया हुआ है. Purple Panther is the brand. And जो food processor है एक महीने तक ठीक चला, but after that it has developed some problem. Now problem जो है वो question में नहीं दी गई है and most of the times the problem will not be given. So that means आपने अपनी तरफ से problem बतानी है and problem ज़रूर बतानी है. You have to write the problem. At least give 2 problems. कम से कम 2 problems जो हैं उससे related, product से related लिखनी चाहिए. So don't just write that it has developed a problem, so therefore you want the product to be changed. No, this is not going to do. इस तरह लिखेंगे तो marks नहीं मिलेंगे. Marks जो है वो कट जाएंगे. So you have to write a problem. So you have been given the receiver's address also, the kitchen joint, Prime Street, Bengaluru. And they say that you have to ask to rectify the defect or replace the product. So in the question it is given that what you have to ask for. Now let's begin to write the letter. So first of all, follow the format. So the code is STRSSC. So according to that code, we have written the format. So सबसे पहले receiver's address जो question में दिया हुआ है. So 55 AK Road, Bengaluru. Then comes date. After that, sorry, this is sender's address, and after that comes the receiver's address. Now it is given that write a letter to the dealer of the kitchen joint. So you will write the proprietor. So proprietor, as I've already told, it is the owner of the shop. So it is always safe to write the proprietor in such a case. सो द किचन जॉइंट प्राइम स्ट्रीट बेंगलुरु और फिर अब हमने सब्जेक्ट लिखना है सब्जेक्ट जो है बहुत शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प होना चाहिए टू द पॉइंट इट शुड नॉट बी अ लॉन्ग सेंटेंस सो हमारा फूड प्रोसेसर से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है सो डिफेक्टिव फूड प्रोसेसर शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प subject after that you have to write sir don't write dear sir respected sir nothing is required इस चीज की जरूरत नहीं है सिंपल सर लिखना है now we move on. So I am sorry to inform you that the food processor of the brand Purple Panther that I bought from your shop against cash memo number 59 dated October 30, 20, whatever is the year, has developed a defect within a problem of its within a month of its use. So first paragraph the opening paragraph हमने अपनी बात सामने रख दी है that this is the problem. There is no need to write like anything that is not related to the question. So simple, straight problem. So you are sorry, and you are sorry for what? That जो food processor खरीदा था, give the brand because it is given in the question. Even if it is not given the question, you can write the brand from your own side. So you tell that you bought that brand, the food processor of this brand from your shop against the cash memo. अब कोई चीज खरीदी है उसका बिल इस केस में बताना पड़ेगा सो बिल का नंबर एंड गिव द डेट so it has developed a defect within a month of its use. Now then write what is the problem. In the next paragraph, you will be giving the details of the problem. So अगले paragraph में असल problem क्या है वो लिखी जाएगी. So in the first paragraph you've just told that you bought such a such thing, bill का number दिया, date दिया and वो जो चीज़ है उसमें खराबी आ गई है. So first paragraph is this. So now in the next paragraph you will be giving the details of the problem. So it worked perfectly well for 1 month, but now its motor makes a jarring noise and it even heats up a lot. So these are the two problems that you have come across. So write at least two problems as I said. So motor makes a jarring noise and it even heats up. So now what are you facing? उसके कारण अब तुम्हें क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? Write that. So ये चीज लिखनी क्यों जरूरी है? Because it heightens. It tells the dealer that you are in such a big problem because of him. So उसके कारण आपको क्या क्या परेशानी झेलनी पड़ रही है? So write a little bit about that. So all this is causing a great inconvenience to me and I feel cheated. I therefore request you to get the product checked and repaired if the fault is a minor one or replace it with a new one as per the conditions of the warranty certificate. So now in the next paragraph you have told about the problem and now you will have to write that what you want the dealer to do. So उसके बाद लिखना है कि अब क्या चाहते हो आप कि वो डीलर आपके लिए क्या करे. So you've given the dealer two conditions that if the fault is a minor one, so it can be repaired. But if the problem, it is a bigger problem, then you would like the dealer to replace the product. And you are also telling as per the conditions of the warranty. I am attaching a copy of the warranty certificate which is valid for 1 year from the date of the purchase along with the bill. So now you are attaching these two things. You are attaching the warranty certificate because it's just the product is just 1 month old. So the warranty is for 1 year. And you are also attaching the bill along with it. So ये लेटर के साथ दो चीजें अटैच करनी ही है एंड दिस वी विल बी राइटिंग इन एनक्लोजर्स ऑल्सो. नाउ फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ you have written what is the problem. Second paragraph you've given the detail of the problem along what action you want from your side. And now comes the concluding lines. So kindly send your technician as early as possible and ask him to make a call at so and so number before coming. So this is what you want now. So you want the dealer to send the technician so that the product can be checked, and you also write there's a condition that ask him to make a call before coming. So maybe you are not at home the whole day, so that is why you have to write such a thing. Even if you don't write like this, it's okay. Even if you write अगर सिर्फ यहाँ तक लिख दो, kindly send your technician as early as possible, even that is okay. So a quick action will be highly appreciated. So you conclude by this line. This can be your last line. After that, yours truly, you have to sign. So sign karna hai Sanjeev Gupta, the name is given. After that, you will write the name in capitals. Capitals are running hand, that means it should be neat, because sometimes signatures they cannot be followed. And then in the end, enclosures. Enclosures means कि इस letter के साथ क्या क्या साथ में attach किया है. So a copy of cash memo and bill and a warranty certificate. So this will complete your letter. So अगर ये सारे steps follow करोगे, so that will give you full marks. So इस तरह से हर point लिखने के बाद there is no chance that your marks will be deducted. So this is the first sample letter. Now before moving on to the next, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And these are the letters that I have already uploaded, and these are going to help you. Letter to the editor is there, the letter to inquiry part 1 and part 2, letter for placing an order, again part 1 and part 2. So these are already there, so you can go and check and revise for your exams. Now अब हम चलते हैं second example के ऊपर. So you are Saurabh Shukla, in charge of the purchase committee of Sunflower Public School, Orion Road, Pune. You had placed an order of 5 Neon laptops, 10 JPL headphones and 10 SK microphones with Messrs. Mohit and Company, Supermarket, Pune. After you receive the order, you find that a few things are not according to your requirement and a few are not in working condition. Write a letter to the person concerned asking for an immediate and appropriate action. So now this letter is a little different, so that is why I've chosen two different letters so that you get an idea what to write. Now in this case, it is a bulk order for, so it can be a school, an institution, a company, an organization. So in case it is a bulk order, so what and how you have to write. So first of all, again, sender's address. So sender's address is given, Saurabh Shukla. He is in charge of the purchase committee, Sunflower Public School, Orion Road, Pune. So these are the things that were ordered, but so it's written a few things they are not according to your requirement and few they are not in working condition. So it's not given which one is not in the working condition and which is not according to the order, so that you can write on your own. So now let's move on to the format. So Sunflower Public School, Orion Road, Pune. So date, and after that now you have to write, it is given Messrs. Mohit and Company. So you can, now even if it is a company, so the company must be having a manager. You have to address the letter to someone. So write in this case the manager, Messrs. Mohit and Company, Supermarket, Pune. So ये हो जाएगा हमारा receiver's address. After that again subject short and crisp, defective and wrong order received. Now क्योंकि ये letter order के बेस पे है, सो ऑर्डर प्लेस किया था एंड व्हेन ऑर्डर जो है वो डिलीवर हुआ तो बाद में ये पता लगा दैट ऑर्डर इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट यू हैव आस्क्ड फॉर. सो जो तुम लोगों ने ऑर्डर किया था उसके अकॉर्डिंग ऑर्डर नहीं आया, सो देयरफॉर डिफेक्टिव एंड रॉन्ग ऑर्डर रिसीव्ड. सो सर, अगेन डियर सर या रिस्पेक्टेड सर नहीं लिखना. नाउ हियर, so opening line again straight to the point. With reference to the order, with reference number 453 placed on December, whatever is the date, I would like to inform that the order delivered by you, wide bill number 6754, is not up to the mark. So अब हमने फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में क्या लिखा है? हमने लिखा है कि ये लेटर हम लिख रहे हैं किस रेफरेंस से? विद रेफरेंस टू द ऑर्डर. ये लेटर उस ऑर्डर के रेफरेंस पे है जिसका रेफरेंस नंबर 453 था. तो विद रेफरेंस नंबर 453 प्लेस्ड ऑन, सो इस डेट को वो ऑर्डर प्लेस किया था. सो आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म दैट द ऑर्डर डिलीवर्ड बाय यू, सो ऑर्डर डिलीवर्ड बाय यू वाइड बिल. सो जब ऑर्डर डिलीवर हुआ तो उसके साथ बिल आया. So wide bill number 6754 is not up to the mark. So ये जो bill है ये ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, wide bill number 6754, it is not up to the mark. So I hope the first paragraph is clear. So you have given the information in the first paragraph that this letter that you are writing, it is regarding the order that you have received on so and so date, and so bill number, and you are telling that the order is not up to the mark. Now in the second paragraph हम उस order की details लिखेंगे जो deliver हुए हैं. So regretfully, a few items delivered are different from what was ordered. So now you are coming to the point that what is the problem. So a few items delivered, they are different from what was ordered. I had placed an order of 10 SK microphones and have received 8 of them. The other two are of some local cheap brand. So now this is the first problem that you are writing. So 10 SK माइक्रोफोन्स का ऑर्डर दिया था जिसमें से 8 रिसीव हुए हैं, लेकिन जो बाकी 2 हैं वो कोई लोकल चीप ब्रांड के हैं जो कि आपको नहीं चाहिए. So then also one of the headphones looks old and used. So 10 headphones ऑर्डर किए थे, उसमें से एक जो है वो used headphone लग रहा है, and even one laptop did not work. So you have a problem in each of the item. So you write about all these things, and then of course you come, now what action do you want? So it is extremely distressing to see the inefficient and non-professional attitude from a reputed name like yours. So again you write that this was not expected from such a reputed name or a reputed company. So you write that you are sad and you feel sorry that this has happened with you, and such a reputed name, ये एक बहुत बड़ी दुकान है so जिसके साथ आप डील कर रहे थे, but even then such a problem has occurred. So you write something like this. After that, now I am left with no other option than to request you to replace the above said defective items at the earliest and at your own cost. This is important. And at your own cost. So now you are writing that there is no other option. So आप चाहते हैं कि ये सारे जो products हैं जो खराब हैं इनको replace कर दिया जाए. So you to replace the above said defective items at the earliest and अपने खर्चे पे. So that means you are not going to send those items back because the problem was from their side. So they will come, they'll bring the new products and they'll take back the defective ones. So at your own cost. So this you should write. Is it clear? So you have to end the letter by writing yours truly. So Saurabh Shukla, again you will sign, and then below you will write the name, and in this case you have to write the designation because it is for the school. The order, it is for the school, it's not for your personal use. So you will write that who you are, that you are writing from school's side. So in charge purchase committee. Again, enclosures. You have to enclose the copy of the order letter and copy of the bill. So copy of the order letter is just letters say order किया था. So you have to attach a copy of that letter that ये देखो कि ये मेरा order था and आपकी चीज़ें इस order के according नहीं है, and copy of the bill received. So these are the two examples, and I hope that now writing a letter for a defective product, it is an easy job for you. और ये सबको समझ आ गया है, and I did my best to explain in both the languages. I hope that you'll be able to understand it now. So now these are the important expressions. So और इसी तरह के expressions जो कि आप अलग अलग letters में use कर सकते हो. So for the opening sentence you can write, this is to bring to your notice the malfunctioning of, so whatever is the product. So write name of the product, model number. Yes, now in case it is a TV or a washing machine, so you can write give the model number also. So which I purchased from your shop, company, firm. So again white bill or receipt number, whatever. Then you can even begin the letter by this is with reference to the purchase of, again whatever is the product, made by whichever is the company or the brand, wide order number. So again whatever is the number. With reference to our order number, this dated this, or this is to bring to your notice that the goods purchased from your shop on this and this date, wide bill number this, were found to be defective. Then sentence 2 after that. So I regret to state that the goods purchased were substandard, damaged, defective, of poor quality, inappropriate, unsuitable. So whatever suits your question, choose that word. Regretfully, the goods delivered were different from the goods ordered. So this is the one that I have used. Then regrettably, the order of this placed with your company was not delivered on time. So suppose you did not receive the order on time. So again, you are writing a complaint letter. Now the product supplied is different from the one advertised. So this can also be the problem. So whatever the product was shown in the picture, maybe it was in the catalog. So what you received, that was different. So this can also be written in case an online purchase was made. Then the package was delivered in a torn condition and many items were broken. The quality of the product is much poorer than the samples sent by you. Now, in case you asked for samples, so the samples that you received वो तो बहुत अच्छी quality के थे, but when the actual order came, so at that time the product, so they were different. Then the pictures displaying your products were extremely misleading. So this can also be the problem, that the pictures displayed, they were different, and whatever you received, that was totally the opposite. Then one of dash, it is severely damaged and cannot be used at any cost. So suppose you ask for maybe furniture. So you write that one of the chair or maybe one any other thing, one of the stool, it was severely damaged and cannot be used at any cost. So you want to replace it. Then it is extremely distressing to observe the inefficiency of your firm, company, or organization. So this can be the concluding lines. Not the concluding lines, in the end when you write that this is the problem and such a thing was not expected from a company like yours. Then it dash worked very well for a week but later started troubling, or it is not functioning properly and it is causing great inconvenience and we feel cheated. Now I'm left with no other option than to request you to get it replaced and repaired. So this is the line that I've used in my letter. Also, I would like to inform you that the item under debate or the defective item or the product, it still falls under warranty period. So you are telling the dealer that it is still under the warranty period and you want it to be changed. Now the concluding lines. So I request to replace or send a technician to repair the item at the earliest to avoid any bitterness. I hope or you expect that you will take quick and necessary action and do the needful or address my problem as early as possible. Then you can even write that I shall highly appreciate if you take personal interest in it. Your personal interest or involvement into the matter will be highly appreciated. So again, you can see these lines or sentences or expressions, these are firm, but they are polite too. So you have to be polite, yet to the point, tell that what you want. Then once again, I request, or you can write, I urge you to solve or sort the matter as per the need as fast as you can to avoid any inconvenience and for future amiable dealings. So you can even write, yes, it is, suppose they are business dealings. So you can write that to keep on the future business dealings like the previous years. So you want that such a problem, it should be redressed at the earliest. So like this you can write. So I have given you more expressions for the beginning or the opening lines, then the second sentence, that is the middle paragraph, how to begin that, and then how to end. So I hope that now these types of letter, they are going to be very easy for you. So that's all for today. So share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel. Also check the playlist. Now in the playlist, the letters are there and the letters that I've shown you in the video. So I'll be giving the links in the description box. So you can always go there and check them. And follow me on the Instagram where I'll keep on updating what I'm going to post next. So bye for now and best of luck for your preparation.